Hello, my name is Nadia. Welcome to my channel, where sewing is fun and easy. Do you want to learn how to sew? If you're just starting and do not have any experience, that is great, because we will start from the very beginning, from the basics of sewing. And if you have been sewing for a while and want to advance your skills and learn more techniques and sewing tricks, very well. I promise you will find a lot of interesting things for yourself. Since childhood, I have been fond of sewing dresses, skirts and other outfits for my dolls. And then for myself and my family and friends. I still remember that feeling of delight and joy when I sewed the first dress for my Mary doll. I just flew to the sky. It was the joy of the creator, of the artist. I realized that I can create. And then, little by little, this fascinating entertainment became my profession and continues all my life. Sewing is my wonderland. It has so many toys to play with and have fun, like just magic wand. They can transform simple pieces of fabric into beautiful dress or skirt or anything you want to be. I will gladly share sewing techniques and tricks that I have learned over my lifelong sewing journey. We will talk about how to organize your sewing space to make it most comfortable so you can enjoy working on your sewing projects and will not get your spine killed and have sore muscles. You will get to know how to operate different types of household machines. I have a lot of them, and industrial sewing machines. And if you are planning now or sometimes in the future to get clothing alteration job in stores like Banana Republic, Dillard's, Ralph Lauren, Hugo Boss, and many other stores, or dry cleaners, then being familiar with the different types of industrial sewing machines may give you advantage over other candidates for this job. For those who are just starting, I will introduce you to various tools and accessories that make the sewing process easy and fun. You will learn and master how to make different seams, buttonholes, sew on zippers, shorten sleeves, or pants legs, and much more. You will see and may be even surprised how easy it is to repair and alter clothes when you know where to start and how to do. You will also learn how to design and sew more complex things, like dresses, skirts, beautiful purses, and more. Plus also soft things for interior, such as curtains, valances, pillows, and much more. And I will also reveal to you some sewing secrets that even many professionals don't know about. There are lots of helpful tools and accessories that make sewing easy, and we will use them in our lessons. I will show you different types of sewing machines and explain what they are for, what they do, and how to operate them. And also, you will be able to save lots of money of maintenance, because my husband will show you how to fix a malfunctioning sewing machines, how to set them up and how to take care of them so machines will work smooth and pleasant and last longer. Subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, ask questions that interest in you, and step by step you will master the techniques and secrets of this fascinating art. Master these skills, and if you wish, you can even become a professional dressmaker or make custom soft goods for interiors. Good luck! and see you on the next videos.